Hi friends, today I'm showing you this XREXS automatic time setting clock. So this clock, as I explained, can be used on the tabletop and can be used on the wall. This is a power supplied adapter clock. So I'm doing the unboxing right now, and you can see the remote, power adapter, and the clock itself. So these are all things in the box, and I will explain all this working step by step. So this is the power adapter that will go in the clock. So this clock will run on the power, like electric power, and this is a remote that you can operate. So this operate on two AAA battery, and I will show you that later on. And this clock will come with this mounting holes stencil, so you can use this and the manual. So manual will explain everything that's in how to set it up, how it can be used, and all the features. This is the mounting holes guide. So like you can see, this mounting holes is exactly the same as in the back of the clock. So you put this on the wall, and then you can make the holes to set this clock on the wall. So this is the battery pack, like where the power adapter is, and two batteries are here, two AAA batteries. That is only to restore the time when there is any power failure or something. So to power the clock itself, you have to use the power adapter, and all the extra wiring you can store in this box and close it. So this is a nice thing that all the extra wire can be easily stored in the back of the clock. So this is the brightness. You can control the brightness, all these buttons to set the clock in, and this is the the handle just to put like the clock on the tabletop. So I'm not removing the protective covering to show you the brightness and the colors of the clock. I'm going to start the clock, and as you can see very carefully, this is like 12:01. I'm not setting up any time, and automatically the time is set up. So this clock can sync wirelessly with the time, and automatically the time and the date and everything will come up. So you can see that how the date and time updated with the current time right now. It's very nice thing that this clock can do, and you don't have to manually actually do all these things. Or if you need to do manually, it's how you will do with the setup button. So I like this automatically time update function, but manually you can also do the clock time like this. So as I mentioned that I will use the remote, so here I'm using this remote to show you the working, and these are two AAA batteries that comes with it, removing the protective covering and starting it. So see, like on and off button, it's working from a distance. It's particularly like a good feature, so you can increase the volume of the alarm or decrease or brightness or control all other things. So 12 to 24 hours, degrees Fahrenheit to degrees Celsius, or all other features that's there, you can control it with this. So this is a pretty nice color and combination with automatic time update feature. Basically a very nice clock, and you can use this on the tabletop with this stand. Big display,